Hello! This time, I'm gonna teach you how to merge these words in fourth row, into this, C3. So this time naman, kung meron tayong mga words in separate cells, gusto natin silang ipag-combine. People would use concatenate. Yun yung isang paraan na ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon, which sabi sa Oxford Languages, concatenate means link things together in a chain or series. Saktong-sakto, di ba? And then yung second naman na ituturo ko sa inyo is kung paano gumamit ng ampersand and sign. Naalala ko tuloy yung English teacher ko noong grade school. Yun yung pinapagamit sa atin para malink din yung two words or two ideas. Ang dami ko nang sinabi. Anyway, so first way na ituturo ko sa inyo, equals concatenate. So, si Excel naglalabas naman siya ng help. If we type in concatenate, lumalabas yung join several text strings into one string. Yan yung gusto natin mangyari. So, text 1, apple. Text 2, but let's hold on. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mangyayari kung diretsong ganyan lang yung gagawin natin. Apple, orange. What's missing? Yung at sign. So, kailangan natin siya lagyan sa gitna. To do this, ampersand, apostrophes, and sa gitna nun, yung at sign. Why do we need apostrophes? Ito kasi yung kailangan para doon sa mga text or special characters na ililink natin or isasama natin doon sa combination ng words. Let's see. So, we got what we want. And this time, para mas mapabilis, copy natin yung lahat ng inedit natin kanina. Ampersand, open and close apostrophe, and then the at sign. And then after each cells, kung nasaan yung mga words, D4, ipipaste natin yan. So let's do it. Paste, trees, paste, mint, paste, G4, paste, H4, paste, black, paste, cup, paste, books. Let's stop, enter. So we got what we want, the result what we want. That's the first way. Let's move on to the second way. This time, hindi na tayo gagamit ng concatenate. I'll show you. Equal sign, and then move on to the first word, cell C4, ampersand, just like kanina, and then open and close, apostrophe, oops, and then lagay natin yung at sign. This time, another ampersand. And then yung word. See that? Tingnan nyo yung difference. Dito, hindi na tayo gumamit ng ampersand before the next word. Dito, ginamit natin yun. As long as you have the ampersand before and after the word, mapag-merge nyo yung mga words na gusto nyong ipag-merge kasama yung mga special characters. So this, C4, the first word, and then ampersand, and yung gusto natin isingit na special character in between apostrophes, and then ampersand again, and then the next word. Let me just give you a tip. Bakit kailangan yung apostrophe? Just like I said, yung apostrophe, kailangan natin siya para dun sa special characters or text na kailangan natin i-include in between words. What if it's a number? We don't need the apostrophe. So, okay naman siya. But, if it's another special character, let's see kung walang apostrophes. Oops. Nothing. So, walang mangyayari. So, this time, kailangan natin ng apostrophes. Alright, let's move on. So, D4, the special characters, trees, the next word, paste, mint, bowl, blue, paste, black. And the last word, close parentheses, oops, we don't need it. Enter. And so we have the ways on how to merge words, to link words together in one cell. I hope this helped you.